In this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot file generation progress error while downloading JSON in form GSTR 9C. Assuming that you have already logged on to the GST portal and now you want to download the JSON file, click the Download tab. Click the Generate JSON File to Download button to download the JSON file. Notice the information message displayed on screen that your request for generation has been accepted and kindly wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, click the Generate JSON File to Download button. Notice the error displayed on screen that file generation is in progress. This error occurs when you try to download the JSON file without uploading the JSON file in form GSTR 9C. Let us see now how to fix this issue. Click the Upload tab. Click the Choose File button and select the location where you have saved the JSON file to be uploaded and click Open. Notice that the JSON file has been processed successfully. Now, click the Download tab and click the Generate JSON File to Download button again to download the JSON file again. Once the JSON file is generated, you will see a hyperlink to download the file. JSON file is downloaded on your system. It's that simple to fix this issue.